Mastering product positioning techniques. Sacrificing quality is the only way to cut production costs. When striving to achieve operational excellence by streamlining our production processes, can we effectively reduce our production costs without sacrificing the high quality of our products? Achieving operational excellence through the streamlining of production processes is a crucial step in reducing production costs while maintaining the high quality of products. This can be accomplished by implementing various techniques that eliminate waste, optimize resource allocation, and enhance efficiency. Firstly, implementing lean manufacturing principles can help minimize waste and maximize value-added activities. This involves identifying and eliminating non-value-added activities, such as unnecessary transportation, storage, and motion, which do not contribute to the product's functionality or quality. By eliminating these activities, companies can reduce waste, lower production costs, and minimize the risk of defects. Another key strategy is to implement total productive maintenance (TPM) practices. TPM focuses on proactive maintenance, which involves regular equipment inspections, maintenance scheduling, and employee training to ensure that equipment is functioning optimally. This approach helps reduce equipment downtime, extends equipment life, and minimizes the need for costly repairs. Additionally, implementing efficient supply chain management practices can help reduce production costs. This involves building strong relationships with suppliers, implementing just-in-time inventory systems, and optimizing logistics to reduce transportation costs and lead times. By streamlining the supply chain, companies can reduce inventory levels, lower transportation costs, and improve delivery times. Furthermore, investing in automation and technology can help improve production efficiency and reduce costs. Automation can help eliminate manual errors, reduce labor costs, and increase productivity. Advanced technologies, such as artificial intelligence and machine learning, can also be used to optimize production processes, predict demand, and identify areas for improvement. Implementing a quality management system, such as ISO 9001, can also help ensure product quality while reducing production costs. This involves establishing a quality policy, setting quality objectives, and implementing processes to ensure continuous improvement. By focusing on quality, companies can reduce defects, improve customer satisfaction, and lower warranty claims. Additionally, employee empowerment and involvement are critical components of operational excellence. By empowering employees to identify and solve problems, companies can tap into their knowledge and experience to improve production processes and reduce costs. This can be achieved through employee training programs, suggestion schemes, and recognize and reward systems. Implementation of Kaizen, a Japanese philosophy that focuses on continuous improvement, can also help reduce production costs while maintaining product quality. Kaizen involves empowering employees to identify areas for improvement and implement changes to improve processes, reduce waste, and optimize resource allocation. Finally, companies can also consider outsourcing non-core activities, such as transportation, logistics, or packaging, to specialized providers. This can help reduce production costs, improve efficiency, and allow companies to focus on their core competencies. In conclusion, achieving operational excellence through the streamlining of production processes can help reduce production costs without sacrificing the high quality of products. By implementing lean manufacturing principles, TPM practices, efficient supply chain management, automation, quality management systems, employee empowerment, Kaizen, and outsourcing non-core activities, companies can eliminate waste, optimize resource allocation, and enhance efficiency. This leads to reduced production costs, improved product quality, and increased customer satisfaction.